me show you something. I'm happy. Okay, correct. But now listen to this. I'm really happy. Feels different, right? That one small word changes everything. And that word is called an adverb. Now, here is something interesting. A lot of English learners speak like this. I finished my homework. I went to school. I ate dinner. And yeah, everything is correct. But do you feel it? It sounds a bit flat, like something is missing. That something is adverbs. Adverbs don't just add information, they change how your sentence feels. So, what exactly is an adverb? Simple. An adverb tells you how, when, how often, or how much something happens. Let me show you. Let's take a simple example. She speaks. Okay, that's clear. But now listen to this. She speaks clearly. That word clearly is an adverb. It's an adverb of manner. They tell us how something happens. Some common ones you'll hear a lot are clearly, quickly, carefully, slowly. More examples. I drive carefully. He runs fast. She speaks beautifully. See? One word in your sentence becomes alive. Now, let's look at something else. I go to the gym. Okay, but how often? I usually go to the gym. I always wake up early. I never drink coffee at night. These are adverbs of frequency. Some common ones you'll hear a lot are always, usually, often, sometimes, never. And they usually come before the main verb. I always wake up early. Not I wake up always early. Now, let's make your sentences stronger. I'm tired. I'm really tired. I like this video. I really like this video. Big difference, right? These are adverbs of degree. You'll hear these all the time. Really, very, to, enough. They add feeling. They make your English sound more natural. And this isn't just grammar, by the way. You hear this in real life all the time. Think about it. I almost missed the bus. I'm really hungry. She finished early. This is how people actually speak. Short, natural, and real. Now, let's fix some common mistakes. I very like this movie. No, I really like this movie. She ran quickly very. No, she ran very quickly. I drink always coffee. No, I always drink coffee. Small changes, big difference. All right, let's make this super simple. When you use words like always or usually, they come before the main verb. I always wake up early. Words like clearly or carefully usually come after the verb. She speaks clearly. And words like really or very, we put them before adjectives or adverbs. I'm really happy. See? That's it. Not complicated at all. Listen carefully. I finished my homework. I finished my homework quickly. I'm tired. I'm really tired. Can you feel the difference? That's what adverbs do. They don't just change grammar, they change the feeling. So, next time you speak English, don't worry about making long sentences. Just take a simple sentence and make it better with one small word. That's how you start sounding natural. Now it's your turn. Write one sentence using an adverb in the comments. Keep it simple, keep it real. And if you want more lessons like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Step by step, we're making your English correct, confident, and natural.